AxRobot supports offline and online robot programming functionalities. This video demonstrates the offline robot programming functionality of AX58200 AxRobot EtherCAT 7-axis force-assisted control robot solution. The AxRobot EtherCAT 7-axis force-assisted control robot solution uses AxRobot servo drive modular design with AX58200 EtherCAT slave controller SoC to effectively reduce the motor drive board PCB space and hardware design cost for each robotic arm joint. Designers can easily evaluate AxRobot X-Force software control functions by using AxRobot controller worked as EtherCAT master, and 7 AxRobot servo drive modules worked as EtherCAT slave devices. The AxRobot controller is worked as EtherCAT master. Designers can run AxRobot utility to evaluate AxRobot 7-axis force-assisted control robot functionalities. AxRobot utility is an open-source software and developed under Python environment. Using AX58200 EtherCAT slave AxRobot servo drive module to effectively reduce the motor drive board PCB space and hardware design cost for each robotic arm joint. AxRobot supports X-Force software controller to realize the collaborative robot functionalities. Need not be equipped with expensive force sensor skin. AxRobot supports text-based robot programming language with general script commands. The AxRobot script commands can be entered in the script editor console of AxRobot utility, or loaded from a script text file directly. AxRobot supports offline robot programming functionality. Designers can just connect AxRobot controller without connecting AxRobot EtherCAT slave servo drive modules for AxRobot offline robot programming. The following demonstration will show you how to offline program AxRobot motion control by running AxRobot utility. Firstly, need run AxRobot utility to enable AxRobot simulation mode and start up 3D robot simulator for AxRobot offline robot programming. Designers can adjust AxRobot joints to proper position by using AxRobot utility jog control function. And then, press Add Point button in Point Editor console of AxRobot utility to add new points definition for arm joints positions. After adding new points definition for arm joints positions, designers can press Enter key in Script Editor command console of AxRobot utility to add new script commands for AxRobot motion control programming demonstration. Please see below demonstration for details. ASIX Electronics has outstanding engineering teams to provide customers the professional and timely technical services. Please contact ASIX Sales for more information. Thanks for watching ASIX video.